Hey guys, this is CJ from sixsheet.com, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate the rolling sum of the column online directly without using any formulas. So the first thing you're going to do is go to sixsheet.com/rolling-sum. After you land on this page, you will have this example input here and the example output here. So the input is selecting the first column as the input column of the data, so you can enter more data, but always only one column is selected. And in the output column, you have the sum of the column based on the rolling window that you set up. So in the example here, if we scroll down, we can see that the rolling window size is set to 2. And you can increase the window by changing the number to 3. The rolling window means that this first row will include all values 3 rows before him to calculate the sum. But since this is the first row, it will always return itself. This number 3 is calculated by adding 1 and 2, and then this is 3. This number 6 is getting because you have 1 plus 2 plus 3. And this number 9 is getting because you have 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So this is how you add the rolling sum of the data. And if you don't want to use the first column to sum, you want to, let's say, use B, you go to select scope, click on column B or column C. And then it will calculate the rolling sum of the 3 previous rows for your rows. So in this example, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 5 is 3. So this is exactly the result here. Now let's see with a more detailed example. I have prepared a bigger example here. Let's copy this. Let's paste this into the input. And here you can see you have additional column D and E, and you can also select them. Let's say select D column. And we're adding the lifespan years of all these animals together. And we can set the rolling window to be 4. If we scroll down, we can see in the output that 238 is the sum of all these. And once you have this, you can download it offline to edit on your local Excel.